Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Mallory, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you, you're the best. That is rock on. I love you, you're the best. Anyways, so today's video, you clicked on it because we are organizing my bathroom, and let me tell you, we need it. We just moved in last month and I haven't touched this one yet. Out of all the rooms that we've put together, for whatever reason, our bedroom and our bathroom has been the one that we've just kind of like pushed to the side and we just haven't put it together. So I'm gonna take you guys with me as we're doing that. I did buy some things off of Amazon to help me organize. So everything I'm using, I will be linking in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get started. I like in my era of being real, raw, and transparent. So I left the mess for you. There is a mess on my counter and I didn't fix it or tidy it up for the video. I left everything here. So let's get down and dirty. I am going to unbox the stuff that I got. I'll show you first what we're gonna be organizing with and then start putting things together. This is not a good angle. I'm gonna have to clear the counter off real quick so that I can actually unbox this and get everything out and show you, but I'm literally just moving everything to the floor. Super excited. Okay, the first thing, I got these little like even organizing tabs to go on all of my things. And one day I'm gonna get that cute little aesthetic cloud thingy bobber to unbox. But for right now, my bright pink and green scissors will do. I don't know what's in this box yet, or I would tell you. Okay, actually super excited about this because this is to organize my hair tools. Come on. I thought it came with a drawer. I think there's one that does, but I didn't buy that one. I went with a cheaper option. I can't remember prices off the top of my head, so I'm just gonna like share them on screen for you guys. We're about to get real serious. Honestly, wasn't sure what to expect with this either. This is actually plastic. I don't know why I was expecting like a wood, but for the price, I mean, I'm not upset. It's gonna work perfectly fine, but I couldn't tell you what I was expecting. Cute. Okay, so this is just like a little acrylic bin. Then I can put the little stickers on here as well, but I just let, oh my gosh, let it go to let these two stack together. Cute, okay. Oh yes, so cute. Okay, and then I have these to go on them, which I don't know what I'm putting in these yet, so obviously we're gonna put these in after this. I think I'm literally just going to have to take everything out and then overwhelmingly put everything back in. This is the part of organizing that gets stressful, but it's okay, we're gonna make it. All right, friends, my mess in here. I once upon a time thought I was being organized with these guys, but then it just became a mess. So I think what we're gonna do is organize this a bit differently. Okay, so I got these little trays and have them in basically all of our drawers, and so I'm just gonna put things that I use daily here because it's just like right here where I get ready in the morning. So I want my daily things here, like my skincare and my makeup. That looks so much better. Happy with that drawer. This one is so miscellaneous. I don't even know what the heck I'm gonna put in here. This one, okay. Again, we tried because I have these, but we didn't really succeed because it ended up being another junk drawer. I really should go and get a trash bag to get rid of the trash before, yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. I love purging. I know sometimes that's stressful for people, especially if you have a hard time parting with things. Sorry, it's gonna be loud real quick. There it went. But I do my absolute best to live like very minimalistic and keep clutter out of my house, and the best way to do that is to purge unused items or things that, like, if you haven't used it in over a year, like, ask yourself, am I ever gonna use this? And if not, just get rid of it, donate it, give it to a friend. So I'm going to just start throwing things in the trash and then breaking down boxes and putting them in the bedroom to get ready to go recycle, and then we will continue tackling the under sink area. And show you guys a little before, just so we have an idea. Our bathroom is pretty big. I do have one more box I need to unpack that slowly kind of became the dirty clothes bin, which is not a good thing, but it did. So we're gonna take a look-see here at the clutter. Where do I begin? So we're going to tackle under here. It's actually not terrible. So we're not working with too much here, but we still have work to do. Like, I tried. Once upon a time I tried, but then it just became too much. Was my self tanner that I had put in a travel bag, but the self tanner and everything leaked during our move. So exhibit A of something that I need to trash. What I do know is that I'm going to put my hair things in here, obviously. So one of my favorites, blow dry brush. So the goal eventually is to get a shark. I want a shark and not a Dyson. It sounds silly, but I like the color of the shark. It's cheaper, and I've honestly heard really good things about it. I've had this one for like a million years, and I like that these are like an aluminum or metal cup, so that you're not putting it on like plastic or something like that. And then I have this hair dryer, but I've never been a hair dryer girl. Like, I don't think I've ever really used this one. I think I'm gonna get rid of this, to be honest. I can donate it. I told y'all, get rid of things that you don't use and make room for others. So we're gonna make this one work. Honestly, I have a linen closet over here. I think I'm gonna put this over there. And I really hate having things on the counter, but I hate grabbing for things underneath my sink all the time. So this, where I put towels and linens, obviously I'm not gonna put it like that. And then I'll find a home for that in a second. There. Okay, we're doing stuff. I love it. We're getting somewhere. Now what do I want to put in it? That will work. And like, this can go under my sink too. I don't know. But for now, I think I'm liking this. I actually have so much more storage in this bathroom than I did my last one. My last bathroom was huge. If you saw my videos in my old house, like, our old house was absolutely gorgeous. This one is an older house. It is a bigger project, but there's quite a bit of storage. I have tons of cabinet space here. Don't have nearly as much stuff as I thought I did. I got rid of a ton, so that helps. But now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to organize everything. Because now I'm thinking, like, did I really need this? I did, but I don't know what I'm going to put in it. So there's that. I have got this organizing swivel thing. You probably saw it in my first bathroom organization video, my old house. But I forgot I had this. But I just went through my other boxes and found it. So we're going to put it together. This can go under my sink. And remember how to put it together. Yes, okay, it wasn't as hard as I thought. This is the exciting but also stressful part about moving to a new house, is trying to find a new home for everything, because I am a bit overwhelmed. Okay, so cute little caddy for things like extra soaps and and stuff can go down here. You can move that up one. I like that these shelves are adjustable so that you can change it for the height. You put like deodorant, random hot and cold pack. I'm scared to open it. I just want you to know that there is a high chance that somewhere throughout the video I end up changing all of this. I am just putting things as I'm unboxing because I'm still unpacking a few things. I have so much stuff. Like, I just found more baby washes and lotions, which will probably end up going in Maddox's bathroom, but for now I'm just like, I have the space in here for it, so what is it hurting? This thing fits a lot, actually. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna put my nail stuff here. And I can't decide if I wanna leave it down here or put it up there. I'm probably gonna leave it down here because I don't do my nails every day, obviously, so I think I'm gonna put them just right here. Okay, so I ended up finding more of these, so I was able to put more in the back. So I have all my little face and eye masks. I put all of my skincare stuff here, including my headband and like the sweatbands that keep the water from going down your whole arm. And then put hair stuff here, makeup, and then utensils. So like my beauty blenders and brush have a place too. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This looks so much better. Okay, and so what I decided to do here is I put like all my little hair things in here because I, for whatever reason, have bought an abundant amount of hair clips and accessories. I'm putting girly things here, hair stuff, and then in this little bin I'm going to start putting in all of my lotions and body creams, and then this guy is probably just gonna go under my sink because I have my perfumes and stuff that I also need to put away. Okay, so I'm really loving how this looks, but we're gonna have to like part 2 this later this evening because it is dinner time and I have a hungry husband and baby that I need to go feed. So be right back. You know what is actually hilarious is even just a year ago, you would not catch me with anything on my lips, but I am literally filling up a large, I'm not done yet, I'll show you in a second. Now, one of my biggest conflicts is what lip am I gonna be rocking today? I could literally do an entire YouTube video going through my lip collection. I know there's people who have far larger collections than mine, but as someone who used to like despise any sort of color on your lips or anything, because just I hated the feeling of it, but I tried one high quality lipstick, which would happen to be Charlotte Tilbury, conned me into spending $40 on a lipstick, and now I'm like, I'm sold. I like lipstick now, so I don't know if I want to put them here because I don't have any room in my makeup drawer. I'm wondering if I could make some room. I can move my hair stuff to the second drawer. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna move this hair one out. That's the fun part about these little organizing things is you can move them around however you want. So I'm gonna move this down here. And that'll be hair. As you can tell, I'm putting razors and stuff in here. So I'm gonna put like hygiene things, like lotions. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. I should have turned the light off earlier. The lighting is so much better now. So this is where all the purging is gonna happen. There's a lot of things that I'm just going to throw away, but just random things that just I'm not using. Empty containers, like why do I keep these? I think that I'm gonna get every last drop out of it. I'm not. I have so many random things. Like if you've ever had an Ipsy subscription, you know I have so many tiny little samples that like I don't even have enough time in the world to try them all. Maybe I'll do that in a video, but like I don't want to get rid of it. This is a good blush. Milk Hydro Primer. It's a sample that I got from Sephora and I never used it. I didn't even know I had this, to be completely honest. So I'm gonna put this in my skincare because I'm gonna try this tomorrow. So we're running out of daylight quick, so I'm just going to like clean everything. up and then show you guys after what all I did. Someone please tell me why I have 4 plants in my bathroom. I need to plant these. I'll keep you updated. Trash bag keeps getting more and more full, which is good. Do you love when you clean and you find money? It's just $1, but hey, found one. The last thing is I'm gonna put my nail stuff in here, then we're gonna wipe down everything, vacuum, and then we should be good. So for now, everything is in these little white trays. I have this wall right here next to where I get ready. I'd like to eventually get some acrylic trays to put there so that some of these bins will eventually free up and I can put my nail stuff in it. Almost done. So now I'm gonna take everything off the counters that typically goes here and clean it. The mirror is actually pretty clean, but then I need to vacuum because there is dog hair everywhere. Y'all, I'm totally looking like rough. It's been working hard. Okay, so drawers, organized makeup, brushes, sponges, lips. I have my face mask, my skincare, and we have kind of random stuff, but they're organized, right? Here we have extras of things, and it's a little swivel, so that's handy. Nail stuff, face wash, makeup removers, and kind of miscellaneous things. That's where they're gonna go for now. In the linen-ish closet type thing, we have hair stuff, feminine stuff, more hair stuff, lotion and perfume. Haven't put these on anything yet because I know this is all gonna change most likely. And then I put hand towels and bath towels up here, which looks so much better. Then there is Reed's side, which he had actually already organized his stuff. And we just put cleaning stuff on that side.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you loved it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if this motivated you in any way. And be sure to hit that subscribe button because I will be decorating my house for fall very, very soon, and I want you guys to be a part of it as well.